The Knickerbocker Hotel, located on Merrick Road near Morris Avenue, attracted a wealthy clientele. Its proprietor, Treadwell D. Carpenter, also served as village trustee on the board of the Bank of Rockville Center and was a dedicated community volunteer. In 1915, the Knickerbocker became the Claremont Inn under the direction of New York City hotelier Ambrose Jensen. Jensen expanded and renovated the building and served the best duck dinner in town. New Year's Eve featured cocktails, dinner, music, dancing, and souvenirs for just $2 per person. The Claremont became Hotel Carlton under proprietor Frank Martins, where weddings, dinner dances, and award ceremonies were held. In 1942, one man was found guilty of misconduct with a woman at the Carlton. By the 1960s, the Carlton was no longer used as a hotel, but housed a discotheque called the Mousetrap. On January 17, 1967, a fire broke out. No one was hurt, but the building was destroyed. The end of a landmark building and an era.